Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you chapter 8, that is sound and noise. In this chapter I will discuss meaning of sound and noise, how sound is produced, kinds of sound, that is pleasant and unpleasant sounds, also warning sound, difference between sound and noise. So first of all, meaning of sound. Children, have you heard the sound like chirping of birds, ringing of bells, barking of dogs, crying of babies? Many sounds are being produced by human being and animal, and these sounds are you listen every day in your life. So, definition of sound. Sound is a form of energy and is produced due to vibration. So this is the definition of sound, that sound is a form of energy and is produced due to vibration. Now what is vibration? Vibration is a rapid to and fro movement about its mean position. And so sound is produced due to vibration, and vibration is rapid to and fro movement about its mean position. So now children, how sound is produced? When an object vibrates, it makes the air around to vibrate. When the vibrating air strikes the ear, we hear sound. So how we hear sound? When any object vibrates and it strikes to the air, it produces sound. For example, vibrating a ruler, stretching a rubber band, etc. These are all examples of vibration. Vibration can be traveled through different media like solid, liquid or gas. Vibration may be heard, seen or felt. Now, children, you could see so many pictures which produces vibration, like this musical instrument you could see. Okay, these are the plucking instrument. When we pluck this violin and sitar, it produces sound. This is bowing instrument. When we bowing the violin, it produces sound. And this is blowing instrument. When we blow this instrument like clarinet or flute, it produces sound. Also, striking instrument like tabla and dholak. So, children, you could do one activity like take a drum and some and put some dry peas on the surface of the drum. Strike the drum now. You will observe that peas are in to and fro motion. That means it produces sound. So you could do this activity at home. Now children, kinds of sound. There are three types of sound: pleasant sound, unpleasant sound and warning sound. So first of all, what is pleasant sound? The sound which is pleasant to ears is known as pleasant sound. For example, whisper or dripping tap or yawning. All these sounds is pleasant sound. And the sound which is irritating to our ear, like the sound which is not pleasing to our ears and causes irritation, is called as unpleasant sound, and this sound is also called noise. Okay, so example of unpleasant sounds are like honking of vehicles, okay, and hammering of the hammering at the door. These all are the example of unpleasant sound. Now what is warning sound? Some sounds are created to warn us. These are called warning sound, like fire alarm, ambulance, siren, etc. These are all the example of warning sound. So student, now you understand what is unpleasant sound and what is pleasant sound. This you could see in the picture, honking of vehicle. These are very unpleasant sound. And dripping of water is very pleasant sound. It is very pleasant to our ear. So this is dripping of water is an example of pleasant sound. Now children, what is difference between sound and noise? So sound, it produces pleasing effect, and noise, it produces unpleasing effect. This is very pleasing sound and this is unpleasing sound. It irritates our ear. And second point, it is produced by regular vibration. So pleasant sound is produced by regular vibration and unpleasant sound is produced by irregular vibration. So example of pleasant sound is like musical instrument. These musical instrument always create pleasing sound, and unpleasant sound are thunder of crackers. These are unpleasant sounds. So it is very irritating to our ear. So next day, next topic. Now come to exercise. So first of all, fill in the blanks. Now student, do this fill in the blanks in classwork. So first is, sound is a form of dash. As I told you, sound is a form of energy. Second is, sound can travel through which media? Solid, liquid or gas. Okay. Third one is, the sense organ that help us to hear the sound in our everyday life is ear. Fourth one is, sound which is unpleasant to ear is called noise. I told you what is noise. So sound which is unpleasant to ears is called noise. And fifth one is, sound which is pleasant to created, which is pleasant is created by dash vibration, by regular vibration. So this is your classwork. Thank you.